Herzlich willkommen, mein Name ist Kostja Dümke von Skyfox aus Berlin. Ich treffe mich hier mit Theresa von Lightspeed Aviation. Sie besucht mich in Bayern, da wo ich wohne. Die Firma ist natürlich in Berlin und ich habe das Privileg, das neue Lightspeed Delta Zulu kennenzulernen. Das erste Mal zu berühren, anzufassen, auszuprobieren und jetzt bin ich schon ganz gespannt. Theresa, welcome to Bavaria. Welcome to this nice hotel. It's not my living room. So
we're in a very special place in Bavaria.
Very special place in Bavaria.
Yes.
An undisclosed location. No, it's not undisclosed. So let's see what the Lightspeed Delta Zulu looks like.
All right. Really this is your first time to see it.
First time to see it.
I know. We saved it for the audience. We're going to just do an unboxing right here.
Yeah, perfect.
So this is the beautiful case that the Delta Zulu comes in. It looks a lot like a regular Zulu case.
Just a little better.
Yes, with has the kind of the copper treatment, which sort of mirrors what the treatment on the headset itself looks like.
Exactly.
So you've seen that in the pictures, and
That's very cool. The look and feel is really like the Zulu 3, but better, I hope.
Yes, yes, and go ahead and
set
put
it up
that on if you'd like to. Yes.
Okay. Yeah, the look and feel is very similar. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. The cable still the same.
Yes.
Nice new battery case.
Yes.
Yeah, go ahead.
All right. Okay. So you are right that it has a lot of the similarities of the Zulu family. We brought forward the best things that people like about the comfort, about the magnesium ear cups and the stainless steel headband and all of the wonderful things. Yes. But what really sets Delta Zulu apart from anything else on the market is that now it elevates the headset to being a safety product.
Okay.
And so we'll talk about the features.
I can hardly hear you, so.
I know.
Go ahead.
Which is the way it's supposed to be. And we didn't even turn it on yet.
We didn't turn it on yet.
But so the safety features, namely, there's a carbon monoxide detection system that also gives warnings. And so as we've been working on this product, we believed and hoped throughout the project that this would be something that would really help to keep pilots safer and would really have the potential to save lives. And what is amazing to us is that before this product has even launched, already 2 people that were part of our beta testing group, maybe 50 or 60 pilots that were doing the beta testing, 2 people have already reported that they believe their lives were saved because of the Delta Zulu.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Because of the CO detector?
Yes, because they had they had symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning, but didn't really realize that's what was happening until the headset started to alert them that you've got high levels of carbon monoxide in your cabin.
Okay, and where's the detector? Is that obviously outside here
so
somewhere?
Yeah, so it's on the side with the boom and kind of at the top. It's a really small little
opening.
Yes, right.
Yeah, here, I can see it.
Yes, there it is, right there, very, very small.
Okay, very interesting.
So the sensor is behind that, and some people ask what the life of the sensor is. It has a 10-year life, and so at the end of 10 years, or if the sensor ever begins to malfunction, the headset will notify you, and then can send it into the shop. We'll replace that.
So 7 years warranty?
7-year warranty on the headset.
Wow, that's pretty good.
It's an industry best. It's like our Zulu 3 as well.
Yeah, same thing. And I mean, it doesn't feel heavy or anything. It feels very comfortable as like the other ones. Accessories are pretty much the same.
Yes, interchangeable.
Okay.
Yep.
Cool. And what is the other feature that's there? I mean, did you upgrade the app? There's a Lightspeed app, a free app. So you can adjust the audio and it kind of, adjust to your hearing conditions, the way you hear, and so that's very interesting.
Yeah, we call it hearing equity, and kind of a play on words with hearing acuity. But basically, in the app on your iPhone device or iPad, you take a little hearing test, and it runs through 12 frequencies in your left ear and then your right ear, just like you're in an audiologist office, where you indicate, how much when you can hear that tone across those frequencies, and then it takes about 5 minutes, and then that hearing profile gets uploaded into the headset. And then right in the app, you can hear the difference. Like we have some music that plays, and you can hear when it's not when you don't have your hearing profile, and then when it has your hearing profile, and it is a jaw dropper for people. Yes, well, so we will do.
Might be a surprise for some people.
Yes, I think
so.
Don't
hear anything.
We will try it with you in a little while, but so it really it helps to make everything sound better. So I think there are a lot of people who maybe know they have a little bit of hearing loss, but don't really want to do anything about it yet, or some that maybe don't know. So
this will really help to make clear communication. So let's show for the audience. Let's show the connector.
Yes.
Maybe explain about this one. This is obviously The limo?
This happens to be the limo, yes, which is the one I brought for the tour here in Europe.
But obviously the standard twin plug will be
comes
available.
with everything, yeah. One of the things, so a couple of things that are really special about the control box itself, it looks similar and has all the normal functions, but now it also has a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. So the battery just pops off like this.
That's very good.
And then it just snaps right back in like that. And the lithium-ion battery has a 30 hours of use on a single charge. The charging port is right here. It comes with the charging cable, of course. And you can charge it while you're flying. So you can plug it into a portable battery or into your panel if you have USB charging.
You never run out of battery.
You never have, But if you don't do that, it also comes with a cartridge like this one that will hold 2 AA batteries. So there's a little window there that you open.
That's included right away.
So you can have. So we sort of recommend probably this one as the primary one, and then the AA one as a backup. Yeah.
Okay.
So both of those come with it, and then also the charging cable, of course, does. And then one other thing people have asked us about over the years is that they wished that our Limo product had batteries in it so that it was easy to use an adapter from Limo.
I was going to ask that. Yeah, that's very interesting. Yeah.
Well, we do. We're happy to say yes. The Limo version has a battery pack, and part of why I brought the Limo is we also have an adapter now that goes from Limo to the GAs. It's an extra price for that, but it's made for the Delta Zulu. It has the Kevlar cable. It's made with the Kevlar cable, and it has the metal connector end on it as well. So
you can buy the Limo version, can still use it somewhere else. So if you, for example, fly the Cirrus, you can use it on another aircraft, but still have the functions of the active.
Yes,
exactly.
Zulu
Delta 3. Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Delta Zulu. Cool. That sounds very good.
Yep.
Okay.
That's
very exciting.
Yes.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah.
Danke fürs Zuhören. Wir freuen uns schon. Die ersten Delta Zulu werden im Oktober in Deutschland verfügbar sein und hoffentlich bald mehr. Vielen Dank fürs Zuschauen.
Thank you.